Welcome to TCS. This is our showroom introduction of our 22 plate Dodge Ram 700 little cute pickup truck. It's a 1.4 litre petrol with a 5-speed gearbox in white with black interior. She's a mean little thing. She's got 3 doors, suicide on the driver's side, left-hand drive. These were built or are built for the South America market, so you won't see one of these in North America. We was offered the car and we said, yep, we'll take it. Don't see any of these over here. So that's actually badged as a Dodge Ram, but it's a Fiat underneath. Slight correction. Suicide door is on the passenger side with left-hand drive. So I've got manual transmission. Has got air conditioning, which I can vouch for being nice and cold. So door lever here, and just like the Mini Clubman, you've got a very sturdy door that opens up to allow access to your 2 rear seats, 2 rear seat belts. Shuts with a thud. Got electric front windows. You do have the book pack in here. That's in there. Got both the keys. There's your radio, which is the standard one. I believe is a Pioneer. There's your air conditioning controls. Now it came in on off-road tyres, which were very noisy and vibrating. We put brand new tyres on. If you're a farmer and you'd prefer, these are the originals. The tractor tyres. Has got a tonneau cover on the top here and a rack at the back here, a small roof rack and some bars to protect the rear window for where your engine or tractor gear might fall into the back window. Let's take a quick look underneath. I guess you'll be interested to see under the bonnet with this stealthy big engine. Give the engine a little rev just to see how she sounds. Yeah, I think we've had enough of that. So we put it on it. So, being a Fiat, this will be the Fiat 500 engine, I would imagine, with probably in the region of 70 brake horsepower. Let's put this stand up. I can find it. There we go. Not there in the end. So, she's badged as a Dodge Ram 700, but she's got a Fiat engine. Fiat's same group, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, which is now Stellantis. See if we can shut the bonnet down. Not easy when you've got a camera in your hand as well. So road tax on these, because it's under 1.6 and an import, I believe it's about 185 a year, because it's a grey import and it's a small engine. So we've got 22 plate. We believe the vehicle was built 2019. It is the old model. Apparently they bought a new model out in 2021, started filtering through. So this one's a 22 plate. Delivery mileage, I would say roughly 500 miles at the moment, but it will get used. and we will take it to car shows just to show her off. We're white with black cloth, 5-speed manual petrol. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.